Hey there, this is Zeph, and what I have here is a HIKVISION analog kit that we are going to unbox and see the contents, see what comes with the kit, and see the application case for your business, for your use case. So, unboxing the kit. First, let's just take notes. This is how the packaging will look like. It will come with 2 speakers. There's an amplifier. What's inside? So let's just confirm the details. 160 watt 2-zone analog amplifier, 220 watts analog cabinet speakers, 1 power adapter, 1 power cord, 2 brackets for the analog cabinet speakers. But some highlights: 100 volts analog cabinet with clear and bright sound quality. Of course, the speakers support horizontal and vertical installation. 4 types of audio input, independent microphone and volume control, perfect for your small and medium business setup. So now let's open the kit. So inside the box, I'll just slide it slightly so that you get to see what I pick out. So I'll just take out the first box. The packaging is quite compact, so I'll just pull this out. So this is the first box. From the box, this is the column speaker that we're talking about. Analog column speaker. This is how it looks like. Then together with the speaker, there is this bracket and the mounting screws. So there you're sorted. You get this speaker and you just can mount it. That aside, I just put this back in. Let's see. There's also another similar package which I won't open. Instead, I'll also get this. This is the analog amplifier from HIKVISION. So with this analog amplifier, let's take a quick look. In the package, of course, the power supply, UK, because we're in a country that supports that standard. If you're in other countries, we can also customize that for you. Then here's how the amplifier would look like. So let me show you. First channel, second channel, both speakers. You can plan. Then you have RCA in and RCA out. Then outside we have the controls for microphone input, Bluetooth input, USB input, of course. Then next, volume up, volume down for the 2 zones. So this is how the amplifier, and actually I can feel the weight is quite precious to get this. So if you need a HIKVISION analog audio kit, please feel free to get in touch, and we're going to provide you with this. So where can you use this? You can use this in your boardrooms. You can use this in your small applications where you need to play some music, amplify some sound, announce notifications, and make any other announcements that you would want. So you can get this. Of course, I can provide you with the desktop microphone and any other kit. For schools, same application, we can provide this. But this is not the end of the catalog. We even have a bigger catalog of IP speakers and all the other variations. Thank you for staying tuned. Let's continue learning, and let's get this. In case you have inquiries, feel free to reach out, and we'll be able to provide these products for your consumption and support. Thank you.